Hello, today I will show you how you can make nice Christmas ornament using toilet paper rolls. You will need a few paper rolls, then scissors and a glue gun. Okay. You fold the paper roll flat like that, and then you take a third here and you make a fold. Then you do the same on the other side. So you see you have 3 different parts here. Okay. Then you open the roll and you make another fold between the 2 you already made here, and you fold inside like that. I will show you here. So you make a inside fold, outside fold, okay? And you repeat, so you have to do that 6 times. Try to line the edges of the fold. You just press a little bit more, and when you see your toilet paper roll now, you can see that you made a star shape. Okay, so now you put the toilet paper roll flat and you will cut several parts in it. I will make like a 6 star with 1 toilet paper roll. Okay, so just now you open the star and you just put them in shape. Look at this. Okay, you have now 6 branches stars, and I will show you how you can make 4 branches stars. It's the same. You take toilet paper roll, you press it flat, and then instead of folding it in 3 parts, you fold it in the middle. Okay. So you have kind of a square shape, and then same as previously, you make an inside fold joining the 2 edges here, like that. And you repeat on the 4 sides. So you can see now that you have a 4 branches star. And same, you trim and you cut to have little stars. Look, 4 branches star. You make a few more stars and then take a piece of rope and you start gluing the stars on the rope. Just add a little dot of glue on top. Try to place the stairs at the same distance of each other, and then you can alternate 6 branches star and 4 branches star. Before gluing, you can also choose to paint the stars if you like to. And then the garland is made. Look at these cute stars.